is the demonstration for the shading techniques project. First I'm going to show you what materials you need and how to fold your paper to split it into quadrants. So you'll need just a regular number 2 HB pencil and a big eraser. And then you're going to have your 12 by 18 thin drawing paper, and you'll have an object set out in front of you that you are going to draw. So first thing, you're going to fold your paper in half, like hamburger style. You want to make sure those corners are lined up really well so you don't get crooked lines. And then I'm going to hold this down, take my finger, slide it to the folded section, and then I can meet my other hand back to the folded section, and then slide my finger down the fold and up the fold. Okay? So when you open it up, you should have 4 equal quarters or quadrants. And then from here you can go ahead and just start drawing your object from placing it in front of you and drawing what you see. You want to make sure that the object stays in the same position and that you are looking at the object from the same position every time. What you can also do is start blocking out areas that are going to be really dark shadows. So right here I saw that it's going to be a really dark shadow, right in here, deep in like the nose, and then right here there's a little bit of a shadow that I can kind of outline right here. So your picture should be pretty well centered on the fold. So the center of my fold is right here. So each quarter has a pretty equal amount of shading to do with each technique. So the next step to the shading technique project is to actually start shading. So at the beginning, we folded our paper into 4 quadrants or 4 quarters. So my drawing of my skull is divided up into 4s. What you'll need for this part of the project are your 6 shading pencils. So you should have a 2H pencil, an HB pencil, B, 2B, 4B, and 6B. So that goes from lightest to darkest. So you should have your object in front of you. I have my skull in front of me. I believe you might be able to see it just a tad in the video there. So most of this video is going to be pretty sped up, but I just want to show you what it'll kind of look like in each of the 4 quadrants and what it'll look like when you kind of meet in that middle at those lines. If you would like to draw on these lines to separate them out, you can, and that is up to you.